Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can send money from our Binance account to our Wise account. So for that you need to open up your Binance account, and after that go to your wallet section, click on fiat and spot, and if you have USDT on your fiat and spot wallet, just simply click on transfer over here and select funding wallet and transfer the USDT from your fiat and spot to funding wallet. After that confirm and it will be transferred to funding, because the funds needs to be in the funding wallet in order to complete this process. And after that we will select this option of buy crypto, and here we will see this option of P2P trading. Just click on it, and here make sure that you select this option of sell, and after that select this option of USD over here in the fiat section, and in the payment section we will select Wise. And now you will see all the options available to you. The sellers, basically we will sell USDT and get USD in our Wise account. Make sure that you see all the other offers over here, and also go with the person who has highest completion rate and the limit and the USDT that is available to them. And since there are some sellers which are not available to us, so go wisely about it, as the completion rate and all the other options are quite necessary. So the better the completion rate, the better the seller is. So chances of scam is basically really low. So this person has 100% completion rate, and his price is the 1 USD for 1 USDT. So we can just click on sell, and after that we will receive the money in our Wise account. And this is how you receive the money in your Wise account from your Binance account. And I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.